What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Trading Crypto. Today we're over Honest Coin or XCN, which is up a whopping 11.53% today at 3.1 cents. Man, yesterday was definitely the day that killed a lot of G's. I hope you guys did not get shaken out because things are starting to turn around now. So Honest Coin, we did wick below that 2-2 support area, but the main body of the candle did maintain above that main support area, which means the main buying power was around our main support area, which we talked about yesterday. And we're going to go over in depth what this actually is and what the indicators look like. Because, man, the indicators are looking pretty dang good for our next push up for XCN. Now, XCN, we've gone over this over day in, day in, day in, day. About the all-time high is 18 cents. I think it's easily obtainable to overtake that. It's on 7 different pages of exchanges. If you want it, you can find it somewhere. So let's do a little bit of a deep dive in this. We're to look at the multiple different time frame charts of this, a bunch of different indicators, and just get a general consensus on where this thing is going here in the near future. So with that, let's get into the price prediction and technical analysis on XCN. All right, ladies and gentlemen, XCN to the moon. We're gonna look at the 4-hour time frame, the short-term time frame first. What I want to point out is we had a perfect bounce off that 618, guys. Perfect, hard candled right to it. Yes, we threw a wick below that, and guess what that's called? That's called Jeet killers. That's where the paper hands get out. That's where the people who comment like, oh my gosh, I broke below the support level that you talked about at 2.2. It's all the way down to 1.8 because they just stare at the charts the whole time. Those are the people that panic and sell. You diamond hand holders, guess what? You did not sell. You bought in at 2.2 and you are currently up right now. Good. If you would have bought in at 2.2, you're up 40% right now. How big is that? Don't trade with your emotions, guys. Emotions will get you wrecked. Trade with technicals. Seriously. But if we look at the 4-hour time frame right now, we're looking fantastic. After this lengthy bearish momentum that we've had pretty much since January 2025, we crossed over bullish today. Fantastic. Yes, we did cross over bullish back here, but the overall momentum is flipping bullish, not just the MACD. What I mean by that is look at the RSI. RSI definitely has a V-shaped bottom that is taking place right now. And what we really want to focus on here, guys, this is big, is breaking above this downtrend, which is currently happening right now. We are breaking out of a bearish downtrend into a bullish one. So the tides are turning here for XCN. And like we mentioned in prior videos, we did not see any large capitulation for this. We were talking about the sideways consolidation about that 2.2 cents area, and that's exactly what happened, the sideways consolidation at that powerful 2.2. We're gearing up for the next push here, guys. And then if you look at it, the WTX is kind of backing that up. We bounced off the green area, currently working our way up there. I don't think we broke out of this downtrend yet, but we're on the cusp of breaking out of a lot of our indicators bearish downtrend. The big thing right here, stock RSI. Stock RSI flipped from bearish to bullish yesterday, right at the bottom of support, right where we talked about yesterday, saying, hey, look for this area. And then we started skyrocketing here, guys. And that's where we're seeing that reversal come in for this coin. Now, what I want to point out to you guys is the day chart, the big one right here. This is more of like the intraday time frame instead of the 4-hour quick flip play. We still are a little high on some of these indicators here on the day chart. So I am going to throw out a little bit of warning there for you guys, but I'm going to end this more bullish. I'm going to start bearish. I'm going to end bullish. Okay. So if we start on the day chart right here, we are about ready to have a bearish crossover here on the MACD. And as you can see, we haven't been this high in the MACD ever on XCN.